Today we're going to have a go at tidying this engine bay. Remove the ABS pump, try and stick it into the wing. EPS module, stick that into the wing as well. See how I can route these bloody cables. Don't really know how I'm going to do this, but we'll figure it out. Then we'll have to extend some cables, clean up all these earths, so make it all nice and tidy, you know. Let's get cracking. How many bolts are we going to snap? 2 on this ring, I think. Okay, these lines, it's going to be fun. Start off by taking the battery out, sticking that in the car, and both rings are coming off. Start off by removing each wing, some bolts around there, inside of the door, and 3 here, which I believe I will snap at least 2 of them, maybe all 3. That is the wing off. That only snapped 1 bolt. It's very careful with the other 2, but it's looking pretty clean under here, not too bad. Bit of surface rust here, take care of that. Gonna take the washer bottle out. My daily needs some screen wash and that's bloody full. Disconnect that, stick here in the eyepiece. Yeah, looking good so far. Nice. Screen wash bottle out, everything's coming together nicely now. I think ABS pump is gonna have to sit somewhere, one of these 2 locations, maybe around here. What do I do with all these hoses, I wonder? Should we delete the headlight washer system? Why not? That is the passenger side wing and arch liner off. It's looking a bit rusty down here. I'm gonna take the front under tray off as well. Let's give it a good cleaner. Looks bug-eyed. You know, you can't tell what this is. What the hell is it? It's an A86. You know, the JDM fanboys, they love these ones, I'm telling you. Okay, I was getting his rear quarters done. This once was immaculate, I remember this.
The rear quarters are getting replaced.
Are they full completely?
Yeah,
Damn. This was so clean once upon a time when I was a little kid. Look at the state on it now. Look at the JDM pop-up headlights and the yellow. That is insane. Gonna do some tofu deliveries in this. Caged. I was missing some seats, you know. For some reason I think this doesn't run. Yes, I can deduce that this does not run. You know, I might be wrong, but you want me to show you something a little more special. This beamer has been in the family since the 90s. 1999 tax disc. Oh, wait to watch. Here's Sabil's UK spec EF. Wait till I show you his other one. His other one's something else. This one's standard. Now this one, god damn, this one's something else. Roll caged up. This is hiding a K20 underneath. Weighs around 800 kilo. How much horsepower? I don't know, maybe 250. But this is a pocket rocket. Look at it. It is insane. Now let's get this ABS pump mounted somewhere over here. Let's figure it out. I'm going to label up all of the lines where they go to, just to see if I can sort it out. Shouldn't be too hard, right? So we've got the fronts labelled up. Don't know if you can see that properly, but this hose, or this brake line, goes to the front right. That hose goes to the front left. This brake line, sorry. This line goes to the rear of the master cylinder. This one goes to the front of the master cylinder. Now I need to get into the car and figure out if this is rear left or rear right. So we got the brake proportioning valve here. So the bottommost line goes to the rear of the proportioning valve, and the front of the proportioning valve is the second one. So that's how I'm going to label them up rear of the valve and front of the valve. Should be nice and easy. So on the ABS pump, this one goes to the rear of the valve and this one goes to the front of the valve. It's typical when starting the job. Turns out I don't have metal drill bits that are big enough. Mine stop at 6.5 mil. I need some like 8 mil drill bits, so we had to stop off at B&Q to get some more. Nice. This should do the trick. Nice. So we got the ABS module bolted into the wheel arch. So just disconnecting the brake lines now. Just gotta crack off the rear lines and we should be golden. Had to pull out the blowtorch. Well, my first blowtorch. Just can't get them rear brake lines disconnected from the proportioning valve. All the lines are disconnected otherwise. Nice roof nuts. They're cooking. So the engine bay now looks like this. It's a little bit cleaner. No ABS pump. It's mounted right there. The EPS module to mount in there as well, but I need to extend the wires and seems like a massive headache. It's just had a bit of a tidy up, just move the engine loom out the way. Everything's coming together nicely now, I think. Just gonna rust convert that and paint over it. Next step is to get rid of the fuse box, and this little fuse box, stick that over into that corner, well, into that footwell. Oh, I could just send it, oh yeah, send it through here. Should be nice. I'm thinking, because the car's going to go satin pearl white, I'm going to get the engine bay done first, and then that way I can start routing all the wiring. ABS module finally mounted, and yeah, it's looking alright. It's looking pretty sweet, you know. Fuse boxes still need moving. Battery I'm going to relocate to the boot. Parts. Some hard race stuff, some Teguo stuff. Wonderful. We got a lot more coming, and we are back. It's the next day. Finally got some motivation to come tackle these wires. Yesterday I just gave up. Just got too much for me. But today got some motivation. I'm gonna smash this out. I'm gonna separate the engine and body harness and see where we can get to in terms of the tuck. I got a driver side body loom and a passenger side body loom arriving. So whenever that comes, I'm gonna start splicing, soldering stuff, and getting it all extended. It's gonna be wicked. So we are starting off with feeding the engine loom back through and getting rid of that. So we've got a disconnect from the fuse box and some grommets here. Just follow it all the way around. Let's get rid of it all. So we've got the engine bay loom all disconnected. Now let's send it through the firewall. When I say all disconnected, still got one bloody connection. Oh well, I won't be reusing this harness anyway. I need one from an EP3, and then the body harness is all going to get tucked. That is the engine loom finally out on the ECU side. Where did they go? I don't know. Time to take out the body harnesses. Passenger side and driver side. I'm just going to disconnect everything from the engine bay. Should be wicked. Horn's got to come off. All these little brackets have to come off. Spare bolts I've put in places. Well, not spare, the bolts I've put in places, they all got to come out. Gonna have to remove the coilovers too. Should be interesting. More parcels. It is coming together nicely. Well, coming apart nicely. No issues as of just yet. So just got lots of V power being drained into the jerry can, trickling out. Before I remove the body harnesses, I'm just gonna remove the master cylinder, brake servo, and then just gonna give everything a jet down. Looking quite tidy now. Got all of it out apart from the passenger side loom. Look at that. It is looking fantastic. Gonna tape off all of the openings, all of these holes that go into the car. Don't want mice getting in. There's the passenger side loom. All of that's got to come off as well, I guess. V-power still leaking. Fantastic. And there we have it. We have one S2000 engine bay completely stripped. Well, when I say completely, just got to move the some brake lines and some fuel lines from there. Throttle cable, keep for now. Move it at a later date. And then that's it. Just needs cleaning up. Gonna get the jet wash out. Gonna get the degreaser out and just tidy up this engine bay completely. Bonnet latch will stay for now. Got some hood pins. Just one's gonna go here, one's gonna go here. Straight through the carbon. Oh, it's been long, man. It has been long. It's been fun. Learned a lot. Let's see if we can put it back together. That's the main thing. Taking out is easy. Trust me. Satin pearl white engine bay. It's gonna look fantastic. It's either gonna look really good or never run again. Got some great news. K24's here. He's excited for the K24, lad. What's going on? Go on, go get the engine. Engine day. Took its time, yeah.
TikTok thing, yeah?
Yeah, TikTok, YouTube, everything.
That's the one, bro.
Yeah. Bang on. Only took what? 2 weeks? Bang on. Let's just dump it anywhere up there by that door, yeah. So the K24's here. How am I going to get it inside and onto the stand? What a beast. Iconic auto design from Ireland. Probably the cleanest K24 out there. Oh, it's going to be exciting. It's going to be fun. Can you smell? Can you smell 1,000 horsepower? So that's what I can smell, Sparkle. Go on, start unwrapping it, mate. Brother, we got an engine tube. If we can start stripping. Yeah, you excited? He's excited. Just clean that. Oop. This is how you get a K24 to 1,000 horsepower. You gotta decat it first. See, come off your phone, mate. Sheriff, me and you don't have a Scooby. How the hell are we gonna move this engine?
No, we've got a slight idea.
Why are you wearing
that
gloves?
idea
What's in the black bag?
is healthy food for building an engine.
We need to get this inside there. We'll figure it out, man. We'll figure it out. And Chef, try picking it up.
Where do we start from? Never mind. Yeah. Let's not do that.
So consulted Big Sheriff, got his help to build the engine crane with. It's quite massive, so I need 2 people. Hear him working. Chef grafting away. Brother, he's eating a snip.
Awesome. My bad. I forgot. I forgot. I don't have the thingy.
Brother, went.
I don't know how to.
This ain't gonna build itself, bro.
It was in German. Look, it's not my fault. Let me show you.
So in German, he told you to eat a Snickers.
Something like that.
Where does it say freaking eat a Snickers on here?
It says die Ausrüstung anzuben. So I just thought Snickers, innit? You know what I mean?
What a waste of time you are, man.
Yeah, I'm sorry, bro.
Yo, Sheriff's gone. Yo, Sheriff, come back, man. I was joking. I was joking.
Well, I ain't getting paid enough, man. It's hard.
But you're taking the stool and you're gone.
Yeah, fuck this shit, man. I'm out. You get on the road.
Why are you here?
Huh?
You're keeping that stool warm.
Yeah,
Creeper stool warm.
of course. Come on, let's get.
Go on, Sheriff, do the honours, man.
Huh?
Unwrap it.
Unwrap it, yeah.
Unwrap it all, baby.
You got anything for me?
No. Go on, make an easy work of that, Sheriff. Easy work of that.
Yeah.
You just got the other half to go.
Let's go. Just making it work.
Keep trying, Sheriff.
Huh?
You're almost there, man.
After about 30 minutes.
Go on, Sheriff.
This is why I ran away earlier. That's all I'm saying.
You're working for free, you do know that, innit?
Huh?
You're working for free, you do know that.
Seriously?
Yeah. Yeah, close the door on your way out. You're back.
You did some undercover deals.
You accept Klarna?
Huh?
You accept Klarna?
Yeah, paying for. This is what you pay the big bucks for. But once Saj hired me out
To do the actual graft.
to do the actual graft.
You know what? For 45 minutes work, this ain't too bad, you know, Sheriff.
He never had a knife, so I had to use my own hands, bare hands,
His nails.
nails.
He had to use them nails. Yo, what is this?
Huh? This is a K24.
Oh my god, you actually know what it is?
Yeah.
Oh shit, I crashed.
Insurance, yeah.
Insurance fraud.
Don't be driving my car around like that.
You know, I'll help you. You know what? No, it's all you, mate.
Huh?
I ain't helping you here.
Well, you gotta have a bit of decorum.
Chef, unwrap it, man. Unwrap it. Why are you making this look so difficult? This is working.
You gotta, all in a hard day's work.
But we have a big issue, you know.
What's the issue?
How are we getting this engine
Yeah.
onto that crane,
Yeah.
into there on an engine stand?
Listen, we'll figure it out.
That's why I'm paying you.
That's why you're paying me the big.
You know what? Fair. That's fair. That's fair. You got the plastic off, Sheriff?
We got everything off.
You got a love note as well.
They got us a beautiful note. It says, "Thank you for buying one of our amazing Honda K24 JDM engines. Please note the following. Blah 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 blah."
Iconic Auto Designs. They helped us source the best K24a engine
Thank you.
from Japan.
From Japan. And big up to Stephen Barber.
Active, Stephen. The dream is coming alive.
There you go.
Can you build this to 1,000 horsepower for me?
100%. 1,500 easy.
You know what? Just cannot emphasize how clean this engine is. Just have a look at it. You can tell it's a super low miler from Japan. But we'll get the valve cover off, have a good old inspection. Nice guys, they even gave us some exhaust covers so nothing goes in. But you knew that.
Of course, yeah.
You were at the factory when you made this engine?
Yeah, I was one of the guys that designed this engine, yes.
Ah, what did you base the engine off? The Gets?
Something.
Go on, Sheriff. Send it. You're the best investment in the world, mate.
100%. Told you. Next time, don't let me run off.
Now he's coming to help. Oh, he's gone. He had a sniff.
Lazy apprentice.
Useless. This geezer built the engine crane. Hope you're feeling strong because we're lifting it onto the engine stand. How is this on an engine stand outside? Outside? We're supposed to be bloody inside, you bloody melon.
I told you I pay for myself. You don't pay me anything.
Why are you taking a break? Is it because the engine is finally in the lean-to? K24 on the engine stand. It's a bit tight, but once the door's closed, we're gonna build it all in here. It's gonna be wicked.
What's up?
That is us done. Now, actually, we need to clean the engine bay.
Hmm?
Want to help me clean the engine bay?
Go on, let's do it.
That's gonna have to be like next weekend or something. You know.
Oh, I think I meant now.
Or early. Not now.
We could do it.
We could do it now, but I don't want to do it now.
Yeah. You know my rates.
1 Yorkie an hour.
Hmm? 1 Yorkie an hour.
The K24 is in the lean-to. Gonna get ready to be stripped soon. 1,000 horsepower soon come.